Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drive Motorsports. Go, 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 go!
Alright, what's up, guys? We're going to first car meet. It's not the first one of the year. They had one last week too, but this is the first one we're going to this year.
Yep, we're rolling 4 deep right now. This dude in the Miata is next to me, is about to roll up. Ooh. God, his is so nice.
Miata gang.
That thing looks sick compared to mine.
We're rolling up to the meet right now. I'm guessing this one right here. Couple cool cars here off site. First site. One sec.
I'll catch up with you.
Sleeping. This is sick for watching. Got the low and slow. The auto. Cody! Sick though. Sick, right?
I got nothing wrong with it.
What?
Yeah, dude.
And I told him I wanted $6 grand for it. He's like, oh, no. I'm like, well, that's what I got into it. I'm not gonna fucking take a loss, and I like my car.
Sick, dude.
Hell yeah.
I love the roll.
Sick, man.
For a while, I was the only one with it. So I was kind of like, what? I would see mom. Flag it over. Or even just a match. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Sure, that looks good. I want to do like more silver for the wheels.
I can waste that, yeah.
I have metallic silver.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Alright, it's car meet. A lot of sick shit out here.
Hell yeah, this is cool. There's actually a good amount of people for Rochester.
Aloha with a rainbow on the license plate.
See what kind of tires there are? I don't know what they are. I can't see the letters slash proxies, but they might be R888Rs.
Damn! Got it. We'll take them off. That Mustang almost.
Hell yeah, bro, that's sick.
Yeah.
You got a screwdriver, save it for later.
Yeah,
Just
I
remember
was
that
tightening
bitch is
clamps because they kept blowing off. This is an S52. You'll be better off with boots though, because the S52s have I believe it's a 4mm or like 3mm thinner. Bigger block. So then the cylinder walls in between are thinner.
Pretty sick beam.
But otherwise, like these are still good up until like 60.
Deuces. We out of here. Looks like everybody's getting out of here. There's some assholes peeling out, so the cops are probably gonna show up.
No, it's been good though.
No, everyone's been pretty chill, but towards the end here, it seems like
there's a couple real sick cars. That Focus had a Hawaii plates on it, so that was pretty cool.
that Focus right over there.
Yeah,
Sick
there's
as
a
fuck.
lot of powerful cars. That Beamer's got a big old turbo. There's a lot of cool shit, so it was a success.
Yeah, later on in the season when it's lighter out at night, warmer, we'll get some sick shots. Oh, was that Tristan's?
That was Bill. Tristan was on the right.
Oh, I didn't.
This is sick. Look at this. Take her easy, Slim. Nice turnout, bro.
Thick ass Beamer.
I just hope we get to stay at the 6th spot.
Right.
We're gonna go hoon a little bit. We're see where they're going. I don't know if I want to follow these guys. I'm gonna get in some trouble.
Yeah, he's already in enough trouble.
I don't want to check my air pressure. You want to get some grumblies somewhere?
I don't know what this dude is saying to me, but we're probably gonna get some food and call it a night.
Yeah, success.
We're gonna be doing meet videos probably once a week as the season goes on. So if you
That's shooting high. Hopefully, we
Maybe.
do one every couple weeks
Yeah.
or one a week on top of our normal shit.
depending on how much footage we got here and in videos to come. But if you guys like what you saw, you want us to keep doing this kind of stuff, put it down in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe, and you guys have a good week. We're doing a Tommy F Yeah style video after the video on our 888Rs, just gripped up as hell on this windy road.
My God, I've never gone this fast on this road.
Oh my God. We drove all the way to Mexico after the meet to find this windy road, and these R888Rs are probably smoked after that.
Oh.
Hitting G's, holy crap.
Yeah, we're done with that. That's over.
Thanks for watching.
Turbo.